Welcome back to Curiosity Unleashed, the channel that feeds your curiosity with all sorts of interesting information. Today we are going to unlock the secrets of the building blocks of modern technology, rare earth elements. But before we jump into it, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, they are called rare earth elements. But no, they aren't actually rare. I mean, if they were rare, we wouldn't be using them in everyday technology, right? It's like calling your favorite pizza place a pizza palace when it's actually just a tiny hole in the wall joint. But I digress. Now, how do these largely untapped elements contribute to our everyday lives and the future of our planet? Stick around and we will reveal their secrets. Curiosity Unleashed. Now you might be thinking, what the heck are rare earth elements? Well, my friend, you are in for a treat. There are a group of 17 elements that are found in the Earth's crust. Each element has its own unique set of properties, which makes them extremely useful in modern technology, from your smartphone to your car. Rare earth elements are all around us. Now let's get to the juicy stuff. It's time for our very own rare earth elements roll call. First up, we have cerium. It's used in catalytic converters to reduce emissions. Then there is dysprosium. It's used in hard drives and wind turbines. Next, we have terbium. It's used in fiber optic cables to transmit data at lightning fast speeds. And the list goes on. Europium, gadolinium, holmium, lanthanum, lutetium, neodymium, praseodymium, promethium, samarium, scandium, terbium, thulium, yttrium, and the last but not the least, yttrium. Phew, that's a lot of names to remember, guys. But wait, there's more. Rare earth elements aren't just useful, they are also essential. Can you imagine life without smartphones, laptops, or hybrid cars? I sure can't. And without rare earth elements, we wouldn't have any of these things. Now that we have a basic understanding of rare earth elements, let's explore their significance in our lives. Number 1. Electronics. Rare earth elements are the backbone of smartphones, tablets, and computers. They are used in everything from batteries to screens, making these devices smaller, faster, and more efficient. Number 2. Green energy. Wind turbines and electric vehicles rely heavily on rare earth elements as well. Neodymium and dysprosium are key components in high-performance magnets that make these technologies possible. Number 3. Space exploration. Rare earth elements are utilized in satellites, telescopes, and other space exploration technologies. Their unique properties boost performance and durability of these devices. Number 4. Medicine. In the medical field, rare earth elements are used in imaging equipment such as MRI machines and as contrast agents for diagnostic purposes. Now, obtaining rare earth elements can be a challenging and environmentally taxing process. Extraction often involves the use of hazardous chemicals, leading to significant pollution concerns. Geopolitical tensions also arise as most rare earth elements come from China, which dominates the global supply. These factors have led to a push for recycling and exploration of alternative materials. Rare earth elements may be small players in the grand scheme of things, but their impact on our world is anything but insignificant. As our demand for advanced technology continues to grow, so too will our reliance on these precious materials. Be sure to subscribe to Curiosity Unleashed so you don't miss out on more fascinating facts and the newest innovations. Thanks for joining us and see you next time.